Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be starting the holiday season off right with these DIY Afro Puff ornaments. For this project, I'm using a small clear ornament that I got from Michaels, as well as eyelash stickers that I got from Hobby Lobby. And as you will see, I'll do a comparison between the different sizes. So I purposely got small lashes so that way they could accommodate the size and the shape of the ornament, as well as other stickers. And I'll be using brown acrylic paint for the inside of the ornament. I will also be using large black puffs that I got from Joann's Fabrics, as well as miniature bows that I got in the ribbon section of Joann's Fabrics. I will also be using a black oil-based Sharpie marker, as well as my hot glue gun. Please see the description box below for further details. As you can see, for starting off this project, I pour the brown paint inside of the ornament and I shake it around to make sure that the ornament is fully coated. I waited a while to make sure that the inside was dry before I added a second layer to it, so that way there weren't any clear spots inside the ornament. And now for the fun part. So here I'll be using the stickers as well as the Sharpie marker to decorate the face of the ornament. So I think that this came out super stinking cute, and I really am pleased with how it came out. I look forward to adding this to my Christmas tree. But you guys can let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you all for watching.